Now, the truth about title documents in Abuja. In this video, we're going to just talk about some of the title documents you find in the city of Abuja. But before I go on, I'd like you to understand that apart from Abuja, every other state in Nigeria practices the customary title administration, right? And Abuja is different. And so your knowledge of titles in Abuja or title documents in Abuja can either determine if you invest right or your money is at risk. Now, I'm just going to roll through some of the title documents you're going to be hearing in Abuja and what they mean or how that applies to what you are buying in the city of Abuja. So I'm going to start from the first one, which is a C of O. Now in Abuja, we have the FCDA C of O, and we also have the Area Council C of O. So the FCDA C of O is the highest title type backed by the government, right? And it shows that you are certified, the certified owner of that particular land. So number two, we have the R of O. So we have both the FCDA R of O and we have the Area Council R of O. The FCDA R of O, like it goes, is the federal government giving you permission to use the land. It is also a very valid title, especially when you get it right. The third type of title you see around Abuja is the irrevocable power of attorney. Now, like the name goes, irrevocable, unlike the other power of attorney, this is non-reversible. And this comes handy when you are getting a property or you're buying a property from someone that already has a title of the whole land. So you're buying a, say, 1 hectare or 2 hectare land, and the person is transferring his whole right or whole title on the full expanse of land. You use an irrevocable power of attorney, as an equitable title to do that transfer. What that means is that the person signs on that irrevocable power of attorney, which you then use to go register at the Ministry of Lands or Ages to show that you have, acquired that property from this person. And so you can also register that and also reprocess your R of O or C of O, as the case may be, that was handed over to you. So that in itself is also a title you find here in Abuja. The fourth title we're going to be talking about is the mass housing title. So a while ago, the government, in partnership with private developers, decided to develop some places of Abuja. Now, the government gives these people something called a letter of intent. So they in themselves do not have the title of the land, but there's an intention to develop, which is that letter of intent. So now, when you buy from these people, they transfer temporarily to you that letter of intent, which you can now process into a government-backed title, so either an R of O or a C of O. Now, that is valid in the city of Abuja. I don't think that happens any other place in Nigeria. Now, the essence of this video is not to say this is better than that, but to say that as much as you are hearing these title documents, the real deal is to investigating to be sure that the person transferring that title to you actually has the authority to transfer the title to you. That's number one. And then number two is also understanding that all lands within the FCT is under the federal government administration. And so it is smart and wise to prioritize an FCDA title over other types of titles. Does this help? So we at Browdy, we find the best and verified lands for you in the FCT. If this sounds like something you are looking for, then call or WhatsApp the number that is showing on your screen, and we will definitely guide you in acquiring the best titles and the best, lands within the city of Abuja. See you on the next one.